Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben. Good morning, hello and welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. And I hope that in the video today in the morning all works fine. Because yesterday I made a nice video about an iPhone XS repair with reballing the board. And I had to take it off YouTube because many people wrote under it, oh, we got a lag in the video and it's fucked up. And I don't want to waste your time by having a look at a video where you can see many lags and the image is just stucking. So I hope today the video is better. I just restarted the PC, cleaned the hard drive, cleaned the SSD, and just played with. Some setups here. Okay, I hope it will work. So today I got this iPhone 7 here, and the problem is this original NAND which is laying here?
Yeah.
Okay. Andy already tried to do NAND repair, but the problem is that we got mixed errors. One time we have error 9, then error 4014 and things like that. When we do the restore without the NAND, we have different error codes too. So in my experience, this is a problem with a disconnected CPU. Okay, so because when I give some heat on the EMI shield on the top and I do the restore, it just restores. But after some minutes the phone is again in boot loop, and when I try to do a restore, then I just get error 9 or error 4014 again. So I already got the board out because Andy was already working on the phone before, and we just reball the CPU now. I think should be no problem. Okay, let's go. I hope for a better video without any lags or stucks. So we go straight under the microscope and before we go under the microscope, we just take off the EMI shield. Okay? So I haven't turned on the hot air until now because I was just coming in. Andy was already here. And let's go take off the EMI shield. Okay, the glue sticker on the top is already new. Was it your work, Andy, or was it renewed before?
Ich war optimistisch und dachte,
Okay. Okay. And he was just optimistic because the restore ran one time. Okay, we just take out the EMI shield. You see there is some thermal paste here. Just clean the thermal paste. Okay. After that, we just get out the glue. Okay, we have the wrong preheater on because I was doing iPhone X yesterday in the evening. So I have to get on the right plate. Now there are the new sockets of Quan Li. You can get at Union Repair. They wrote me today. They sent one for review, and you can take diode mode readings directly on the socket. So that's really nice. I will get it within the next days and show you the product here on YouTube. Okay, let's get just out the clue. Oh yeah, would be nice. Thanks, bro. Sasha wrote me yesterday in the evening that I can come on Thursday. What's Donnerstag? Thursday? Thursday, yes. That I can come on Thursday for tattooing. The last date he has for me in the year. But I said no, I can't. Well, I said I tell him today morning, and I will say him no, it's no chance. Because of our first product, it's not possible for me at the moment to be not there, I would say, or not, Andy. One day at the moment is impossible. Yeah, no. I will finish my arm next year. There are more important things at the moment. Okay, you see? Just gently clean the glue. Thanks, girl. Gently get out the glue. Okay, after that, we just take out CPU. Get it straight here, okay, and now let's go. Gently lift the CPU. Okay, done. You can see it looks good so far, I think. Okay, now we can just clean the board. Well, I do the board on the preheater and just give it some heat. And while that, I just clean the CPU at first. Okay. And some paste and tool. Gently cleaning the glue by using the eye brush. Okay, now we take our magic brush and just clean one time for dirt, and after that just the last time flux. And some hot air. And you see, it works fast. Okay, now just clean the rest of the glue here. Taking the brush. Normally I don't use wick, but in that case today in the morning I use it. There are so many ways to do that job. Okay, done. One crown window is missing and a little bit of dirt here. Okay, nice. And now we just seal the one missing crown window here. Okay. Using some UV light, and while that we just clean the board. Okay, we just use a brush again. And you see, almost all of the glue has been gone. Some NC pads too, that's not a problem. Okay, should be good. Now we just take some hot air. And a small amount of heat. And our glue cleaning tool. Just to clean the corners. And the sides. It's always the same game here. Have a look if you lose pads that it's just NC or a ground. No important pads, communication lines or things like that. Okay, I think it looks good just here in that area one time with the wick, because there is a small amount of solder which I see here. Okay. And done. Nice. We are about 21 minutes with cleaning the CPU. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So now we just cool down the board, and while that, we just reball the CPU. One-time cleaning. Then take a knife, go around the CPU one time. And now we can just reball the CPU. Just need to find the stencil, but that shouldn't be the problem. Here we are. Don't see anything. Now I see. Okay. Looks good so far. Now we just get in some paste here. No. Not in that way. You see, it was not laying straight, and if it's not lying straight, we can't use it. There was some dirt. And you see, the problem is the side. There is some glue on the side, so the CPU doesn't lay straight in the stencil. So I can't do a good reball if the CPU does not lay in the stencil in the right way. Okay. Clean it. Have a look again. Now it looks better, I think. And yeah, it's straighter now. Are you logged in into the B2B with your smartphone? So now we just take our tweezers, our hot air, and start a reball. Circle, 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 like ever, to don't get any bend. Okay, done. Now we're waiting a short time, and while we're waiting, we're just knocking these solder points off here. Okay, then we take a fresh wipe with some contact cleaner, go over it, take some flux, get it in the stencil, and then just do reflow. Have a look with your eyes, a clean look, that all the bolts are well connected to the bottom, and then we are done. Now we can lift up the stencil, and you see it's just beautiful. Looks good so far. So we can now do one time a cleaning. Use a wipe, push. Some air, and you see it's just amazing. Okay, so now I do just a small reflow without stencil, and I let the flux on the CPU. I wait until it's everywhere, and then I just do a short and quick reflow to reset them bolts all, and you see it looks really good. And now we check the board for the value. And the value of the board is good. So we can just get down the CPU. Fresh wipe. Take out dirt everywhere. Have a look that we got a clean surface, no dirt at all. Then we can just take a picture And after that we can just get the CPU right onto the board. Place it with your hands. You have to know how to place it. So it's laying right here, you see? And now we can just solder it down. Okay. We have to wait until the flux comes out at the sides. And then we are done. And you see it's okay. Nice, done. Wait a short time for cooling down. It's 183 solder, so it will be fast. And you see, looking from the side, I think it looks good. So just cooling a little bit down the board, and then is there an original NAND on it or another NAND or?
Original NAND is
Okay, but the other NAND is okay?
okay.
Which is in? Okay.
Also sollte okay sein.
Okay.
Ja, eigentlich schon.
Just get the board down here. The battery was charged or not? Okay. So at first I could check by power supply for the value, but I think we are at restore mode or things like that because Andy already changed the NAND. Yeah, the value is restore mode. So Andy, can you please do the restore? Oh, I do it on my MacBook here. That's much nicer. Just deactivate the microscope. And do it like that here. Take the MacBook. Hope that I have the new software for that device here. Because when I do it on that system now, it will fuck up. Okay, there is a phone recognized, and now I can just do the restore. Oh, I have to download the new software. So you see, there is iPhone 7 recognized after the CPU reboot, so all is nice. Would you do the restore? Because it takes about 38 minutes, I don't know why. Ah, now it comes down, it falls, now it's only 20 minutes. shows only 15 minutes, 12, 10, 9, okay, it will be fast. No, now it goes up. Andy, just please do the restart. Okay. I download the software on the MacBook anywhere, but Andy does the restore, because when I do it now on that PC, it will fuck up, and yeah, now we got latency again. So it's not like back in the days. I don't know why I got this latency problems.
Gibt auch schon wieder eine neue Software. Aber 60 Sekunden für 3,7 Gigabyte.
That's not possible. Why I have 5 minutes? Does it go up now at your side, or does it download fast?
50 seconds.
Okay, I'm in the Wi-Fi. You're connected at LAN, so that will be the problem. You saw these CPU these CPU jobs can be done really fast. Was about 30 minutes, I think. Because I talked a lot. You can be much faster, about 25 minutes, 20 minutes if you don't talk anything and just go fast. It won't be a problem. Now we just do the restore of the phone, and it will work fine again. That's not a problem at all. I just don't know if I want to wait now until Andy has done the restore. Perhaps I just end up the video and wait with uploading the video until we know if the phone works, but I'm sure it works. How many minutes it takes?
It's ready.
Ah, it's ready. Okay, it's already unpacking?
Yeah.
Okay, then perhaps we can just wait. Yeah, unpacking the software. We wait. I hope it will be fast. And if it does take too long time, I just end up the video at this point. You have seen all you have to see. We just did. We took out the CPU and we did a rebuild. We cleaned up the board and we resoldered the CPU on the board. Why? Because we got mixed errors like 4014 and error 9 and error 2. And what was the other error? 70.
47, 74.
Okay. Word errors. And if you gave some hot air on the EMI shield on the top of the CPU, you could do the restore. And as soon as the board cooled down, it just was boot looping again. And if you did restore, you got the same errors. And it really takes a lot of time. I see the bar on the top is only at half at the moment, so let's just give it about 2 minutes. But then we have to end up the video because it's at the moment we are at 40 minutes and we have to do a lot of shit today here. We are just on producing our first product, which comes on the market on the 1st of November 2019. And yeah, it's really a lot of work at the moment. In some minutes the rest of the crew will come, and then we just start by producing. And yeah, I just want to hear a message. So I just have to answer a question. What about, do we see an apple? Please get it up and show it. Okay, just a little bit more up. Okay. Boom! Back to life again, baby, I would say. Yeah, and now we will just have to wait for a longer time for the update, but you see the Apple is there, the phone works again, and yeah, I think it was a nice repair. iPhone 7 after error 4014 9 70, I don't know what errors we got, all in the chain, and yeah, so I'm out. We see us with the next video. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany, and if you are working at a repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group Smartphone Repair for Germany. But please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Yours, Ben.